Alright, hi and welcome back to our educators. So in this video, I want to teruskan dengan part 3 to answer this homework question. Saya belum answer lagi kan? Okay, tak apalah, I want to answer now. Okay, the question is about comparing the boiling and melting point between potassium and lithium element. Use the electron arrangement diagram to support your answer. Okay, so first thing first, the proton number, you should know the proton number. Okay, so proton number for potassium. Okay, so potassium is K, so the proton number is 19. Yes, correct, 19. And proton number for lithium, okay, you can see in the periodic table for lithium is Li3. Okay, now you draw your electron arrangement diagram, okay, for potassium first. Okay, so this is the nucleus. Okay, this is the first shell, this is the second shell, this is the third shell, and this is the last shell. Okay, so kenapa I draw sampai 4 shell? Because the electron arrangement, you know the proton number is 19, so electron arrangement is simply first shell boleh maximum muat sampai berapa? 2 sahaja. So from 19 I take ready 2. Okay, so tinggal lagi 17. Okay, in second shell boleh letak 8 sahaja. Okay, third shell boleh letak lagi 8 and another one. So tambah semua ni 2 plus 8, 10, 18 and 19. Correct. Okay, then lukislah kat sini 1, 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is the remaining one lah. Okay, now draw for lithium. Li. Okay, your first shell maximum boleh 2 saja, and another one shell maximum boleh 1 sahajalah. Okay, because ada 3 saja, 1, 2 and 1. Okay, see the balance electron. Final shell pun ada 1, ini pun 1 saja. That is why it is in group 1 lah. Okay, dah lukis electron arrangement. Oh, I forget to write. Okay, electron arrangement. Okay, okay, so 2.1 lah. Okay, right. Okay, dah done with this one, right? Okay, now you compare. Okay, you rasa boiling point yang mana is higher? Okay, I ask for which one, right? Okay, the answer is boiling point for lithium is higher compared to potassium. Okay, kenapa tu? Mai, we start to answer the question. Okay, I already told to you, right, the tips on how to answer this type of question. Mana dia? Ni. First, compare the atomic size. Next, atomic radius, force of attraction, bagi tahu least about heat required, then only bagi tahu melting point, boiling point. So ada 5 ayat. Okay, so first sentence, the atomic size for, you nak pilih bigger ke smaller, up to you lah. Okay, for potassium is bigger then atomic size for lithium. Jangan malas tulis In kimia memang kena rajin. Kalau you malas, markah you pun markah orang malas lah. Okay, then dah bagi tahu the atomic size. Now talk about the atomic radius. Okay, remember you want to talk about atomic radius pun boleh, ataupun nak bagi tahu the number of shells occupied by electron. But basically you tahu dah nama pun atomic size potassium is bigger, right? So mestilah the number of shells occupied by electrons for potassium is more lah than lithium. So I simply nak jump to the point. The atomic radius for potassium larger, betul? The atomic radius is larger lah. Is larger. Wait then lithium as SY. The number of shells number of shells occupied by electrons for potassium atom is higher. Number of shells ada banyak, is higher lah, is higher than lithium atom. Okay, remember in this point you're talking about electrons, so the word atom is a must to be there because electron located in the atom. Faham tak? So kenalah ada the word atom. It's very simple, you ingat, you want to talk about this fuller electrons, the word atom should exist. So the number of shells occupied by electron for potassium atom is higher than lithium atom. Yes, correct. This is the point that we want. So once dah talk about this one, barulah you talk about force of attraction. So now I want to ask, force of attraction, which one punya weaker? Adakah potassium or lithium? Dan nama pun saiz ni besar, so mestilah susah kan? So mestilah weaker. So the force of attraction for potassium atom, wait, okay, you nak kata potassium atom pun boleh, ataupun you nak kata force of attraction, wait force of attraction between, okay, nak kata between ke tak payahlah, just kata force of attraction lah. Force of attraction for potassium atom is weaker than lithium atom. Betul kan? Yang ni you agree right with me? Okay, because if the atomic size is more bigger for group 1, you know the characteristics of group 1 element is to deliver its electron. Betul tak? Because nak capai stability dia kena deliver its electron. So if dia punya size is bigger, easy to deliver electron. Sebab force of attraction dia weak. Understand? That is how you should know. You should know the ability of the group first, because group 1 and group 17 is very different. Group 1 dia lagi besar atomic size, lagi easier for donate, but group 17 lagi besar, lagi hard to achieve the stability. Faham tak? Group 1 lagi besar, easier to achieve stability, but group 17 lagi besar, very hard to achieve stability. Faham tak? Dia vice versa the concept. Okay. For potassium atom is weaker than lithium atom. So you know the force of attraction for potassium weaker. So dah nama pun force of atom to weaker. So less heat required to, ni saya tulis kat sini ni, to overcome. Okay, to overcome the weak attraction, one minute weak attraction force between, weak attraction force. Okay, to overcome the weak attraction force for potassium atom compared to lithium atom. Betul tak? Okay, so dah nama pun less heat required. So which one punya melting and boiling point higher and lower? Saya suruh compare certain meter yang mana higher pun. So you simply say hence the melting point and boiling point for potassium is smaller than lithium. This is how it works. So ini sahaja. Okay, remember, but if you want to talk in terms of reactivity, this third sentence ada perubahan sikit. You kena bagi tahu force of attraction between what and what. Okay, actually kat sini pun boleh bagi tahu, tak ada salah. You can say the force of attraction between proton in the nucleus and electrons, valence electron in the valence shell for potassium atom is weaker than lithium atom. You boleh add that benda if you want. If you want to make the same answer scheme, tak ada masalah pun. Okay, because the point is just lebih kurang je ini dengan changes in the reactivity punya answers. Mana dia? Yeah, you can see. Lebih kurang je. Okay, lebih kurang je. Then final sentence you bagi tahu lah which one easier to donate semua-semua tu. Okay, so remember that if they talk about the heat ni, you should talk about atomic size first. Tak kisahlah reactivity ke heat, talk about atomic size first. Then number of shells occupied by electrons or atomic radius. Then you talk about force of attraction. Then only you talk about list of heat required and melting point lah for this fella. For that fella, for reactivity, kalau dia tanya yang mana senang bentuk ion, which is capable to form ion more faster, you should talk about atomic size, atomic radius and the number of shells together. Then you should talk the position of valence shell tu. Then baru nuclear force attraction. Then only bagi tahu lah yang mana easier and yang mana harder tu. Alright, so if you have any questions you can ask me, but I already give a complete set of technique menjawab for these elements in group 1. So if there are any corrections you can let me know, but I feel like there are no corrections. So that's all for me for this video. I will meet you in next video with a new video. I think I will be continuing to teach experiment 4.1. Alright, so that's all from me. Bye.